Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into the world of equestrian training with the SAVITA 5PCS horse training flag. This isn't just any flag, it's your ultimate tour guide for horse training. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. Now, let's talk features. This set includes 5 17.1 x 17.1 inch nylon flags in vibrant colors blue, green, red, yellow, and pink. Each flag is equipped with a durable 63-inch telescopic stainless steel flagpole. What does this mean for you? Durability and reliability, ensuring it won't break or deform easily. Handling is a breeze with its lightweight design and soft sponge grip handle, providing comfort during use. The flags are easy to attach using the lanyard and hoop system, eliminating the need for additional clips or accessories. Whether you're training horses, marking territories, or guiding groups in outdoor settings, these flags are perfect. Their bright colors serve as clear visual warnings, easily attracting attention when needed most. Now, how does the SAVITA horse training flag stack up against other options? Unlike traditional flags, this set offers 5 different colors in one package, catering to various training needs without the hassle of purchasing multiple items. In real-world scenarios, these flags shine. They're designed to withstand outdoor conditions, making them ideal for sports events, competitions, or simply keeping your horses well-trained and focused. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews today, rest assured that the SAVITA horse training flag has received positive feedback for its quality and performance. Wrapping up, if you're looking for the best tour guide flag that combines durability, versatility, and affordability, look no further than the SAVITA 5PCS horse training flag. It's a must-have for any horse trainer or outdoor enthusiast. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy training!